Bear snores on by Karlos Wilson. In a cave in the woods and his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in the heat with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pillar-pat tiptoe, crawls from the cave, from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dark. So he lights sweet twigs with a small hot spark. The cold pit pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And the hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse slurps, wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger skittles by, sniff snuff at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we could share." I brought honey nuts, let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole and a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm!" And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. Now they treat and they chill, they chat and they chiller, but the bear snores on. In the cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse sitting still, and a small pepper flake makes the bear rat-choo, rat-choo. Achoo! He blows and he sneezes. The whole crowd freezes. And the bear growls and snarls, and he roars and he rumbles. Bear stomps and he jumps. "You snuck in my lair. You all had fun, but me, I was sleeping, and I had none." And bear whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. See, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." So bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. He spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun rises up in the crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Bye. Thank you for listening.